So you use this to mark a cut, right? Maybe write down a measurement. And a simple pencil isn't just for marking. It's an essential tool that's going to save you time and money if used accurately. It's actually a key part of your tool bag that saves you time and makes your work a lot more efficient. You just have to know how to use it. So first up, we have the compass. What you're going to do is drive a screw right in the middle of the circle where you want it, or a nail. We're going to show you both ways. Then you're going to take your pencil. You're going to go to a spot where you want it marked. You're going to go in here, hold it really tight in between this spot right here. And you're just going to come back and work your way around. And look at that. Perfect circle. Let's try it with the nail. We're going to go like this. Let's do a smaller one. We're going to go here. Then we're going to work our way right around here. And come up to a perfect circle. Cut that thing out and you're good to go. And this next one, honestly, it's pretty genius. I use it all the time. Most people may not know it, but this is actually a measuring stick. This little side right here is actually 1/8 of an inch. This side is 1/4 of an inch. 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch. And that comes into play a lot when I'm making picnic tables or putting in tile or trying to space out decking for a porch that is being done. It actually comes in handy. This is a perfect 1/8 inch. Now I can make those nails in, pull that thing back out, and move quickly right on to the next one. And the same thing works with tile. Or if I need something a little bigger gap for maybe a picnic table, I'm going to go ahead and put that spacing in like that, and it gives me a 1/4 inch gap right away. Perfect measurement. Carry one of these things in your pocket, and you can use it more often than you probably think. It's an easy depth gauge when you get into a space like this. That's now 1/8 of an inch. Now, it's 1/4 of an inch. That's all you had to do. Put that in there, knock your nails in, move on to the next one. Space it out. It's good to go. And the final use for this precision tool that I'm going to add is a depth gauge. I'm not going to go ahead and drill a bunch of holes because I'm not doing that project right now. But when I am, if I'm having to make certain sized holes, I can go ahead and make that first hole, take this down in here, put my thumb on it like that, and now I have a perfect depth gauge. Use this thing more than you need. See if there's, go check your tires, see if they're still any good. You should have at least this much on there. And stay subscribed because next time we're doing the same thing with a measuring tape, and trust me, you've been using it wrong your whole life. Some of these tips you probably are going to want to see.